Alrighty, boys and girls, here we are. Day number 20. This is an update for YouTube. The last video that I made, I was going to purchase a vehicle. That was in December of 2017. It is May 25th of 2018. And this boat landed here 20 days ago today in California. So the boat was in Texas and now it's in California. And we'll do an update video on the process of going to get it and moving out of the house and everything. But I just wanted to do an update on the progress so far. So here we are 20 days in, and basically we stripped off, let me make a better shot because of the sun here. Basically we stripped off all of the pinstriping, we sanded down the whole hull, we brought the under the waterline down to the original gel coat because we did not know what was on this boat before, so we wanted to start from scratch. And we want to put our own pinstriping on. It was old pinstriping and it just didn't look modern, so we're going to put new through hulls in. We're replacing them. They were nylon, UV damage and all that, so we're getting new through hulls. We're day 20 and it took me literally the 20 days to get this thing to this condition. There was a whole bunch of nicks and scratches and dings and holes, and I sanded it down, patched it up. This right here, you'll probably remember in another video, this was a big gouge and didn't go all the way through, but it was probably an inch deep. So I have one more sand to make on that. Tomorrow will be my final sand of this hull. And we are looking good here. So yeah, 20 days to prep this thing. Tomorrow I'm going to sand the teak cap rail, and then not this weekend. This is Memorial Weekend, but the next weekend we're painting this boat, and then I'm going to start on the interior. The rudder here, I found some 3 bubbles in it in the original fiberglass delamination, and I knocked those out and patched them up. Also, it was split, just like a hairline split all the way around the whole edge, because they took like 2 pieces and laminated them together. And so I sanded this down and I put 2 layers of fiberglass and a couple layers of resin just to secure this rudder. And one other thing I did is this pipe right here that came out. The pipe just basically came out of the hull here, and one of the previous owners, it had some cracking going on around here, and they had just patched it up with some putty and it had re-cracked, and I ground the putty out and I figured I would make it right, and I built this Skeg, and it's going to be all smoothed out and painted nice and look like a factory Skeg by the time I'm done. But yeah, this thing is solid as a rock now. That ain't gonna crack again in the future. Let's see. What do we got? I guess that's about it. Something I didn't know, because I didn't get to see the boat out of the water before. So we have a folding prop, which I like. And I built this tool cabinet because I was sick and tired of loading and unloading all my tools every day. They have security here at the yard. Somebody's here 24/7, so I don't have to worry about shit getting stolen. I mean, it's only a wood cabinet. So on another video, I'll take you on a tour inside, starting this coming Monday, which is actually Memorial Day. I'm going to start on the interior and then work on that for a week until next weekend when I paint. I'm going to start on the floor. The floor needs to be replaced in here, the sole. The sole of the boat needs to be replaced. Anyways, we're happy because the project is underway. We're racing the clock. We're hoping to make it to the Baja by October 29th. We have a lot to do. Alrighty, that's it. Got her. The project is underway. And subscribe, follow along. We're going to take you on a journey. Shaka Diaries out.